Virtual Academy of Advanced Learning, a world of possibilities. Imagine a serene campus alive with curiosity. Students reading under trees, painting their imaginations, and discussing great ideas. Welcome to the Virtual Academy of Advanced Learning, or VAAL, the oldest institution dedicated to nurturing young leaders and compassionate community members. At VAAL, academic excellence is a tradition. Our commitment goes beyond test scores. We cultivate critical thinkers, creative artists, and future visionaries. Here, your child's potential finds the perfect balance between rigorous education and real-world readiness. Every day at VAAL brims with discovery. From science experiments sparking teamwork to vibrant music and art classes, our programs engage both heart and mind. We empower students to envision and build their unique futures through a supportive, enriching environment. VAAL's dedicated faculty ensures every child feels encouraged and inspired. Collaboration, curiosity, and a passion for teaching define our culture. With their guidance, students navigate challenges and seize opportunities to shine. At VAAL, learning isn't confined to classrooms. Alumni return to mentor, parents become active partners, and cultural celebrations foster togetherness. Diversity and unity thrive under VAAL's roof, creating a community that inspires lifelong connections and meaningful contributions. Why settle for ordinary when your child can experience extraordinary? VAAL's mission is simple but powerful: shape productive, curious, and caring citizens. Our students don't just learn, they lead, imagine, and transform. Join the VAAL family today, where education meets inspiration and children grow into changemakers. Visit our website or call us to get started. Together, let's nurture the leader within your child.